Welcome back to Ask the RODSGod. What is the difference between ECM distance and GPS distance? Why do these vary? Because if the Earth was flat, cats would have pushed everything off by now. ECM distance is calculated by data gathered from the truck sensors and collected in the ECM. GPS distance is calculated using a method called trilateration. Trilateration involves measuring the distance between a GPS receiver and at least 3 satellites in order to determine the receiver's location. Modern GPS receivers use advanced algorithms to improve accuracy. There can be several reasons for a discrepancy between GPS distance and ECM odometer distance. Number 1, GPS accuracy. GPS is accurate up to a few meters. Think smart bombs. But in certain conditions, like dense urban areas or areas with limited satellite coverage, the GPS measurements can have errors which can result in discrepancies. Number 2, signal loss. GPS signals can be affected by interference, such as tall buildings or dense foliage, which can cause temporary signal loss, leading to inaccurate distance measurements. Number 3, odometer calibration. Odometers can vary in accuracy due to factors such as tire wear, tire pressure, or mechanical issues. If an odometer is not properly calibrated, it can show a different distance compared to the GPS measurements. Number 4, road deviations. GPS distance is calculated based on straight lines between points, while an odometer measures the distance actually traveled on the roads. If there are deviations or detours taken during the journey, the GPS distance may not match the odometer distance. Number 5, elevation changes. GPS distance measurements are based on the surface of the Earth, while an odometer measurement is the actual distance traveled along the road, which can have ups and downs due to hills or slopes. This difference in elevation can contribute to discrepancies. Small differences between GPS distance and odometer distance are common and generally acceptable. The technical standard uses a reference measurement of plus or minus 10%, which on a 750 kilometer trip would be 75 kilometers, which is exactly what the personal conveyance is. Funny how that worked out. Got a question? Send it in to info@therodsgod.ca and I'll do my best to get you an answer.